Hello there, welcome to Things to Do and Places to Go. It's a little bit cold today, but we're going to be indoors and we're going to be sampling loads of chocolate because we've made a trip over to Cadbury World up here in Birmingham. So let's go inside and get those samples going. Cadbury World in Bournville, Birmingham is open all year round, so you can go whenever you like. You will have to book a timed session for your trip, and it will take you about 2 hours to do the tour. Thankfully, this video isn't 2 hours long, so you can get an idea of what to expect, starting off with the history of chocolate. Just walked in, I'm eating chocolate already. Next, you enter the area.
Welcome.
Just to wait before you see a show.
My name
And it's just a couple of minutes before we go in.
And this is my shop. I first established my business in 1824. My father, Mr. Cadbury, owns and runs the business.
So get a little bit more history
Our family are strong
on the Cadbury family.
Our efforts were rewarded when we received our first royal warrant from Queen Victoria.
They are then taken to our factory in Chirk for processing. Now, first the beans must be sorted.
After being shaken around like a cocoa bean, you then experience some of the manufacturing process. Then it's through to the chocolatier demonstration, where they show you how they manipulate and move the chocolate to create all of the items that they do here at Cadbury. Now we head into the chocolate making section of the factory. You do remember it is an actual live factory. Chocolate is made here. You do get to see some of the process. You can actually buy some souvenirs and have them personalized if you so wish. You also get to try liquid chocolate with all different types of toppings. I had mine with jelly babies. Oh, it's so yummy. This way to have a go. Have a go at what? Let's find out. History of Cadburys and their manufacturing all over the walls. Loads of photos too. Have a go area. This is the entry into it. And this giant whisk going to walk under. And we get to see all the different chocolates being made. And I'm assuming have a go. An old-fashioned machine here. Modern ones are computer controlled. That does look yummy though, even though it's recycled chocolate in this area, people do it and then it gets put back. So there's less waste. Still looks nice though. Old chocolate bars dating back. The present day here we go back, the 90s, the 80s. 70s, probably some you recognise there, 60s to 50s. I go right back to the early 1900s on this far side. Different types of selection boxes. At Christmas you might have got one of those. Back in the 80s, some the modern ones down the bottom here. Chocolate doodling. The queue to do that here in the have a go area. They're just sending everyone through. Gonna go do some chocolate drawing. So we're at our table. Let's doodle.
I saw the queue and I was like, do you know what?
Yes.
The best.
I'll sign that. So moving on from the chocolate tempering, get to wash our hands in the copper bowls after doing so. Next up, we continue to the 4D chocolate adventure. Let's call this bit of the day so far. Chocolate adventure this way.
Thousands of mini eggs go missing. Cadbury Gorilla on walkabout again. This is CBNN with me, Button Snowbite.
In the 4D theatre, you pop your 3D glasses on and enjoy the show. It's fine for all ages, so there's nothing to worry about there. After coming out, there is a photo opportunity. It's on a green screen, so you can just miss that one out. I did. The Bournville experience. History of the factory in Bournville. Used to play a game in there, interactive. Tins through the years. I wish the tins were still that big now. My sister ended up with one of these. Everybody always wanted one of these machines at Christmas. Adverts on milk bottles, some cups, toy cars, a selection of cups as well. I had that cream egg one. I used to get these every year with the Easter eggs in them. Huge selection, top of the pops one. Gonna head down Advertising Avenue, a selection of the adverts from over the years. There's lots of television ones. Always like the music to that one. Chocolate dog.
Sponsored by Cadbury's.
It's a tie-in with Coronation Street, Say It With Roses. And there was this advert, it was very popular. It did play Phil Collins In The Air Tonight. I'll press the button and see if it works.
There you go.
I can hear In The Air Tonight playing in the background. Wait for the drum solo. This basically was the advert. Really getting ready. And finally, we're going to enter into Chocolate Quest. 15-minute wait. Final part of the tour, a dark ride in the world of chocolate.
Please do not use flash photography, as this is a top secret.
And like all good theme parks and attractions, you exit through the gift shop. And this one is, of course, a chocolate gift shop. Loads of different varieties of chocolate can be found here, as well as some very exclusive items too. Yeah, Cadbury World. Merchandise, hoodies, t-shirts, caps. Next to the shop is the cafe. You can bring your own food and there are picnic benches, but they are outside. Lots of shakes and hot chocolates, of course, can be bought at the cafe. So how much is a trip to Cadbury World? Well, on their website, you can book in advance from £19. That's cheaper than on the day and a guaranteed ticket, because they might not always be available if you just turn up. An annual pass is £49, or you could get a Merlin pass and visit many other attractions around the country too. So that was a quick look around the Cadbury World tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Had my photo taken with the caramel bunny and the mini egg parrot. Well worth the trip. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care.